If your teleprompter lags behind what you're saying, here's the fix. The delay is almost always in the speech engine, not the scroll itself. Cloud-based voice recognition, the kind most browser teleprompters use, adds 200 to 500 milliseconds of lag while your audio round trips to a server. That's the gap between you finishing a word and the app registering it. On camera, you end up reading noticeably faster than the prompter is actually scrolling. 2 fixes. 1. Use a teleprompter with native on-device voice tracking. On-device runs at 50 to 100 milliseconds. That is 2 to 10 times faster than cloud. 2. Check where your focus line sits. If the spot you're reading from is at the very top of the screen, the scroll has nowhere to catch up. Move it down to about 40% of the screen and the text stays ahead of your voice naturally. Lag is the engine. Switch to on-device tracking and set your focus line lower. SteadyQ runs native voice tracking, the best in the industry. Try it for free at steadyq.com.